Looking for the best home theater projector for your needs? Welcome to our guide on the top 5 picks that will transform your movie nights into cinematic experiences. A good quality projector can make all the difference, delivering crisp visuals and immersive viewing right in your living room. Today we'll be uncovering the BenQ TK700 STI, the BenQ HT 2050A, the Epson Home Cinema 5050UB, the Veritech LumaVision Pro, and the Samsung The Premier LSP7T. Stay tuned to find out which projector suits your needs best. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and check out the product links in the description below. First on our list is the BenQ TK700 STI. This projector is a powerhouse, delivering outstanding performance that's hard to beat. It boasts an impressive 4K resolution, ensuring every detail of your favorite film is crystal clear and true to life. Think sharp, vibrant colors and deep, inky blacks that make every scene pop right off the screen. But that's not all. The BenQ TK700 STI also offers HDR compatibility. This means it can display a broader range of colors and higher contrast levels, making your movie nights an absolute spectacle. Imagine watching the latest blockbuster with richer colors and more dynamic visuals. It's a game changer. And let's not forget about its quick response time. This is a big selling point for gamers out there. With this feature, you won't have to worry about lag or latency interrupting your gameplay. It's smooth, it's fast, it's immersive. The BenQ TK700 STI. A solid choice for those who want a balance of price and performance. Next up, we have the BenQ HT 2050A. This projector is a fantastic blend of high-quality features and affordability. One of its standout attributes is its high contrast ratio. This feature ensures you get to enjoy rich, deep blacks and bright, vibrant colors, making your viewing experience nothing short of spectacular. But that's not all. The BenQ HT 2050A also comes with built-in speakers, providing a well-rounded audio experience. So not only will your visuals be top-notch, but your audio experience will be equally immersive. One other feature worth noting is its 3D compatibility. This means you can enjoy your favorite 3D movies right in the comfort of your living room. This projector truly brings the cinema experience home to you. In terms of value for money, the BenQ HT 2050A truly shines. It offers a high-quality home theater experience without breaking the bank. For those who are budget-conscious, the BenQ HT 2050A is a worthy investment. Now let's move on to the Epson Home Cinema 5050UB. Renowned for its superior performance, the Epson Home Cinema 5050UB takes the crown as the best overall home theater projector. With its excellent color accuracy, this projector provides an unmatched viewing experience. It captures and reproduces the widest color spectrum, ensuring that you see the most accurate and vibrant colors on screen. What sets it apart even further is its high dynamic range. This feature enhances the contrast between the lightest and darkest parts of an image, providing a depth and richness that is truly mesmerizing. Every scene comes to life with the Epson Home Cinema 5050UB, making movie nights an immersive experience. Moreover, its motorized lens makes it a breeze to set up and adjust. You can easily switch between different aspect ratios, making it ideal for different types of content. This projector offers top-notch performance, ease of use, and a superior viewing experience. If you want the best of the best, look no further than the Epson Home Cinema 5050UB. For those on a tight budget, the Nexigo PJ40 is a great pick. Now don't let the word budget fool you. This projector is packed with features that make it stand shoulder to shoulder with more expensive models. First off, it delivers a full high-definition resolution, ensuring your movies and games look stunningly clear. Thanks to its LED light source, you can expect bright and vibrant images even in rooms with ambient light. But where the Nexigo PJ40 truly shines is in its built-in Android operating system. This allows you to stream content directly from your favorite apps, making it a versatile addition to your home entertainment setup. The Nexigo PJ40 proves that great performance doesn't always come with a hefty price tag. Finally, we have the Samsung The Premier LSP7T. This marvel of technology is a game changer, especially for those seeking an ultra-short throw projector. Its most striking feature is just that, the ultra-short throw distance. It can project a large, clear image even when placed extremely close to the wall, making it perfect for smaller spaces. But don't let its compact size fool you. The LSP7T is also equipped with built-in smart TV functionality, bringing all your favorite streaming services directly to your projector. And let's not forget the powerful audio. This projector houses a robust sound system that delivers crisp, immersive audio. So why is it the best ultra-short throw projector? Simply because it offers a complete, high-quality home theater experience in a compact package. With the Samsung Premier LSP7T, you can enjoy a big screen experience in a small space. So there you have it. The top 5 home theater projectors. The BenQ TK700 ST, a fantastic choice for most people, and the BenQ HT 2050A, the best value for your money. The Epson Home Cinema 5050 UB stands out as the overall best, while Veritech LumaVision Pro is a great affordable option. Lastly, the Samsung Premier LSP7T, the ultimate solution for ultra-short throw projection. Remember, the best projector is the one that fits your specific needs and budget. Happy watching. Don't forget to give us a like if you found this information helpful, subscribe for more content like this, and check out the product links in the description to explore these options further.